In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Eventbrite event recurring. If you run regular classes, workshops, or meetups, setting up a recurring event is a huge time saver and keeps everything organized for you and your attendees. Start by heading to the Eventbrite website and logging into your organizer account. From your dashboard, click Create Event to open the event setup. You'll see sections for your basic details like title, location, and description. The key area for this process is date and time, so navigate there when you're ready. In the date and time section, change the event type to recurring event. This tells Eventbrite that your event repeats on multiple days or times, such as every Tuesday evening or the first Saturday of each month. Make sure your time zone and default start time are correct, since those settings will apply to every occurrence you add. Next, add your schedule. Click Add Dates, then choose how your event repeats. You can go with a daily pattern, set it to weekly on specific days, use a monthly cadence, or pick custom dates if your schedule doesn't follow a consistent rule. Enter your start date and time and either set an end date or choose a number of occurrences. You can add as many sessions as your series needs. Eventbrite will generate each occurrence for you based on your selection, so you don't have to build each date from scratch. With your dates in place, set up your tickets. Create your ticket types, like general admission, and define the price and capacity. These tickets automatically apply to all the recurring dates you created. Each date functions like its own session, which means capacity is counted per occurrence. For example, if you set 20 tickets, you'll have 20 available for each date in the series, not 20 spread across all dates. This keeps attendance and check-in simple and consistent. Before you go live, click Preview to double-check everything. Confirm that all your dates appear correctly, your ticket types look good, and your event details read clearly for every occurrence. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Your listing will appear as a series with multiple dates, and attendees can select the date that works for them at checkout. A few important notes as you plan. The recurring setup works best when each session is essentially the same. Same format, same pricing, and the same ticket types. It's not ideal if you need different prices or content for each date. Also, remember that each occurrence functions like a separate mini-event, which helps with capacity, reporting, and attendee management.